Alright, y'all, I'm going to give y'all a little 411 on diabetes. So, first thing you got to do, check your blood sugar. You got your blood sugar meter, you got your poker, you got your test strips, you got your insulin, and you got your syringe. So, okay, let's see if I can set this up right. First thing you got to do is you got to take a strip out. Look at the code number on the bottle, code 4. When you put the strip into your meter, it will say code. And you hit the numbers, change it to your right code number. I'm slowly going to slip back into my California accent here. When you select the code, you just wait a second until it stops blinking. And then wait for the little blood bubble thingy to appear. Then, take the poker, preferably a fresh lancet. Mine actually has blood on it. I should use a fresh one. So I will throw that one away. I don't want to edit this video, so I'm going to be as fast as possible. Put the little poker thingy in the machine. Twist the cap off. Generally, you want the needle to be as straight as possible. That way it is the most pleasant. Put the cap back on, make sure it clicks good. I'm at 5 depth. You can adjust the depth, usually with the dial. But, let's see if I can set this up. So, you do something like this. I prefer the arm. Takes a little bit more pressure. It's a little less accurate for the current timing. I waited too long so my meter turned off, so I gotta pull the strip out, put it back in, and wait. Remember, I broke it. Uh-oh. Wow. Oh, I thought my machine died. I was gonna be mad. Okay. I pissed it off. That was my phone, don't mind that. Alright, code 4. Alright, now, you gotta make sure you try and fill that little thingy up with blood all the way, or else it'll get ER5 or error or whatever it stands for. 459. That is fucking terrible. Oh my god. Oh, I fucked my meter up too. Alright, 459. So, you don't even want to know. 459. So to correct for 459, I'm at 5 units for every 100 over. So if I go 359, 259, 159, shoot it in the middle, 18 units. So right off the bat, I'm going to need 18 units just to correct my current blood sugar. Now we're going to come over here to the ingredients of this soda here that I plan on drinking all of. So you got serving size is 4, total carbs is 28. So let's go over here to the watch. I have a fancy calculator watch here. So, let me see. Calculator. So that would be 28 times 4. I wonder if I can do this with get my watch in the screen. Close enough. What was it? So go to my calculator. 28 times 4 equals 112. So that's 112 grams of carbohydrates. Now, come over here to this yogurt that I plan on eating everything, which is a terrible idea. What I'm going to do is when I administer this insulin, I'm going to wait about 30 minutes before I even eat this. Total carbohydrates, 28 grams times 4 per container. So, wow, that's literally identical to my Italian soda. So now I'm at 112. So I'm going to add, okay, I hope I do this right, plus, I know it's the same, so I'm going to add another 112, equals 224 grams. Okay, so now, my ratio is currently 1 unit for every 10 grams. So divide that by 10, it's going to be 22.4 units. So I currently already need 18 units. So I'm going to add 22 to 18. That's not going to work. I'm going to need a bigger syringe. This is the worst. So I was already at 18. So that's 18 units there. So I'm going to clear this out. What do I need? 22.4. So, how did I clear that? 22 plus 18, I can't read, 40 units of insulin I'm going to need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw up 40 in my syringe. Now, take the cap off with my teeth, take the bottle, push the air in, like so. Now, what you do is I usually pull the plunger a little bit, like maybe anywhere from 3 to 5 units, and then I'll push it up real quick, and you'll hear the air come out of the syringe. Now, sometimes you have to do it multiple times. The slower you draw, the less air bubbles you're going to get. But I need to then pull this sucker all the way down to 40. Can't see it when I'm pointing at the camera. So there we go. 40, and it's just like that. And then what I'll usually do is I'll put the cap back on, and I'll prep the injection site with alcohol swab and then dry it with a 2x2. Some people air dry. I prefer to just dry it because I don't like taking much time. So it's pretty much as simple as that. I'm not going to show you how to inject in this video, but that's pretty much my process of adjusting and calculating.